After I started this video blogging, there's just too much stuff everywhere, and there's even more. I have to organize it somehow. Look, all of this material everywhere. There's an old television, stuff, more stuff, and then there's another room where I have more. I'm going to organize this room. This will be my warehouse and studio. So I am going to buy some shelves here, 3 meter high, and I'll transfer this room for the video blog, and there will be the computer table, and then there will be shelf. Clean this area. And get all of that to the dedicated video blog room, because video blogging really, it takes a lot of space. You need so much stuff. I can show my current. This is the current edit place. Oh.